Good morning. So we're going to start off making our pan fried chicken. So as you can see, we made our mayonnaise dressing that we're going to dip the chicken in. We seasoned some panko breadcrumbs. We're going to use chicken wings this morning and a regular cookie sheet lined with foil. So let's start. So as we take them, we want to make sure we get all of our wings coated in our batter. After you lightly coat each side, you're going to toss them in the panko breadcrumbs. And for your sauce for your dip, all you can use is olive oil, extra virgin if you like. Use your different seasonings. I like to use dried garlic, dried minced onions, a few red chili flakes, very few. And you can use rosemary or thyme, dried. So as we come over here, we're actually going to toss these. And basically what you're trying to do is make sure you have breading on each part of the wing. So it gives that crispy flavor like fried chicken, but without all the fat. And you just start plating them on your cookie sheet. Once you have your cookie sheet aligned, you're going to take it and place it in a 350-degree oven. I like doing the top shelf because of the fact I do have an electrical oven and we want to make sure nothing burns. Let's do that 375 degrees and we're going to set our timer for 43 minutes and we'll come back when it's done.